Hey gang, Mark Sweeney from Austin, Texas. I've been a dentist for 38 years, started in 1979. I saw a Facebook video of Dr. Bill Williams about a month ago, early December, talking about helping dentists to finish well. And I figure I've got about 10 years left in me, but I have started thinking about what's my exit strategy going to look like, and figuring I could use some help with that. So I really came to Sweeney after talking to Dr. Williams on the phone and feeling like this was a good move to make. Came here with the expectation that I was going to be sitting in a room with a bunch of 60-plus-year-old geezers like me that are talking about what their last few years of practice are going to look like. And I was pleasantly surprised to find that we have dentists in all different ranges of practice in our group. We had a great 2 days discussing the challenges from small practices with fairly young owners that are less than 5 years into owning their own practices, all the way up to larger practices that are butting up on the $5 million plus per year and wanting to grow beyond that. I'm kind of somewhere in between there. But I learned a lot. It's been 25 years since I've been involved in a mastermind group, but I'm familiar with the concept, and it felt great to get back into an environment where other dentists were, I feel like I went from not knowing them at all to 24 hours later, we had each other's backs. We're giving each other really good, honest feedback about how we can grow our practices and hold each other accountable to a 90-day plan, ultimately a 1-year plan to grow our practices, to achieve our goals. Everybody's got different goals, but we're all in it together. And there's nothing like it. Napoleon Hill was onto something way back in 100 years ago when he wrote Think and Grow Rich and came up with the Mastermind principle. It's worked for hundreds of people, if not thousands maybe, but it certainly has worked for our group. We are bonded together and we're committed to seeing each other through to help each other achieve our goals. And that's what life is all about. And it's renewed everybody's interest in getting out there and making things happen. And I'm excited about the next 90 days and talking weekly with my mastermind group members and seeing some pretty fantastic things happen. So if you're thinking about it, if you're at a point in your career where you're just not really sure where to go with things, or if you just need to be remotivated to about dentistry being the greatest profession in the world, then this might be something you should look into. Give Dr. Williams a call. Like him on Facebook, message him. He called me back in about an hour after I liked his Facebook post. So it's something you should look into.